Hi, this is JK Yama. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to make sentence longer. Of course, I cannot teach a lot of things in this video. However, we're going to do a lot of practice one by one after this one. Are you ready, kids? Let's do it. How to make sentence longer. We mentioned these 4 types of sentence in the last video. So right now, we're going to practice with these 4 types of sentence. The first one, subject, verb, object. 我爱你, I love you. So how about you want to emphasize how much I love you? I love you very much. 我很爱你. I very love you. How about this? Emphasize more. I really very love you. 我真的很爱你. 真的 means real. 很 very 爱你. The second type of the sentence, subject, have, object. 我有弟弟. I have brother. So if we want to describe how many brothers you have, I have 2 brothers. 我有2个弟弟. 2 2 个 major word. In Chinese, we always have major words after the number. We describe your brothers cute. 我有2个可爱的弟弟. So you have to remember, in the structure, we say 2 cute brother, 2个可爱的弟弟. 一只可爱的狗, a cute dog. Like this. How about this one? I always have 2 cute brother. 我一直都有2个可爱的弟弟. Okay, this is a really long sentence. Let's see. What is 一直? 一直 means always. 今天 today, 一直 always, 下雨 raining. Today is always raining. 今天一直下雨. So in this sentence, 我一直都有2个可爱的弟弟. 都 means all. Why we use all over here? Because if you say always, it is a lot of moments. So all of these moments, I always have 2 cute brothers. The third type of sentence, subject, adjective. 我很开心. I very happy. How about this? We put the time in this sentence. I'm very happy today. 我今天很开心. The time always after the subject. In the English, we put it in the end of the sentence, but in Chinese, we put it after the subject. 我今天很开心. Okay, then we put this inside, the because, so, why I am happy. 我今天因为 because 吃了 eat already 冰淇淋 ice cream 所以 so 很开心 very happy. Because so 因为所以因为 means because 所以 means so. Let's read this sentence again. 我今天因为吃了冰淇淋，所以很开心。Because I ate ice cream today, so I'm happy. See, the structure is totally different from English, but you can understand how to use it. the last type of sentence. Subject is object. 他是好人. He is good guy. Put a number. How to say that? 他是一个好人. one 个 major word. 他是一个好人. Then we say he maybe is a good guy. You don't know. You just say maybe. 他可能是一个好人. He probably is a good guy. Thanks for watching, and I will keep doing this practice in the future. I'll put like because, so, if, then I will, this type of sentence, and you can try to practice with making a lot of examples. If you are ready for this challenge, you should subscribe me, and don't forget to like it. See you next time. Bye bye.